A glimpse of Indian music and dance. Though there are many forms of music and dance, Carnatic, Hindustani and folk are the most eminent music forms, while Bharatanatyam, Kathakali and Kathak, Ghumar and Kalbelia are the most distinguished dance forms. Carnatic music is famous in South India, whereas Hindustani music is famous in North India, but folk is everywhere. Carnatic music is rhythmically intensive and structured than Hindustani music. In Carnatic music, the Trinity, Saint Tyagaraja, Sri Muthuswami Dikshidhar and Sri Syama Sastri contributed a lot in the development of Carnatic music. It is their songs which we hear today in all music concerts and festivals. The legendary musicians who had contributed to the field were Ariyakkudi Ramanuja Iyengar, Semmangudi Srinivasa Iyer, G. N. Balasubramaniam, Srimati M. L. Vasantakumari and Srimati M. S. Subbalakshmi. That was a clipping from Bharat Ratna Srimati M. S. Subbalakshmi's UN concert in 1966. The musicians still contributing to the field are Sri M. Balamurali Krishna, Sri T. N. Seshagopalan, Srimati Bombay Jayashree and Srimati Sudha Raghunathan. Hindustani music originated through Persian and Islamic influences in North India and dates back to thousands of years. The first well-renowned Hindustani musician was Mia Tanzin, a courtier in Akbar's court. He was an extraordinarily gifted vocalist and created ragas like Darbari Todi, Darbari Kannada and Rageshwari. It is believed that Tanzin was able to bring rain and lit fire through his songs. Legendary musicians of Hindustani music were Mallikarjun Mansoor, Bhimsen Joshi,
जो भजे हरि को सदा सोही परम पद पावेगा, सोही परम पद पावेगा, सोही परम पद पावेगा। जो भजे हरि को सदा जो भजे हरि को सदा सोई परम पद पावेगा, सोई परम पद पावेगा।
and Pandit Jaswaj. Folk music. Legendary singers of folk music. Vijayalakshmi Navanitha Krishnan. She is a renowned exponent of Tamil folk art and has conducted several years of research on Tamil folk music and dance. She has devoted her lifetime in research, collection, revival and documentation of ancient folk songs. Hemant Chauhan. He is the most successful folk singer of Gujarat. He has sung more than 6,000 songs, including folk songs and garba. Salil Chaudhary. He is known for his indigenous style of music. He combined the strains of Western classical and Indian folk and gave Hindi cinemas most of his popular melodies. Now let us move on to the dance forms of India. Bharatanatyam. It is a very popular dance in South India. It is a very old classical dance and is based on a particular theme. Legendary dancers of Bharatanatyam. Padma Subramaniam. She is a very renowned Indian classical Bharatanatyam dancer. She is also a research scholar, choreographer, music composer, musician, teacher and an author. Dhananjayan. He was the student of Kalakshetra, a renowned cultural arts school. He learned dance from his guru Chandu Panikkar. He has contributed a lot to Bharatanatyam through his performances. Now this is none other than Nartaki Nataraj. Nataraj was rechristened as Nartaki, a transgendered person. She has given a lot of performances. She was trained by K.P. Kittappa Pillai. She is now having her own school to train young artists in Bharatanatyam. Kathakali. It is the oldest theatre form art of the world. It has originated from southwestern India. The themes are based on Hindu mythology. Legendary dancers of Kathakali. Guru Kunju Guru. He was born in Kerala and is a very old Kathakali artist. He has been guru for many of the Kathakali artists. Kalamandala Gopi. Vadakke Manalat Govinda Nair is widely called as Kalamandala Gopi. He is a very famous Kathakali dancer. He is known for his romantic and dramatic poetry. He is known for being as Karnan. Kottakkal Sivaraman. He was an acclaimed performing artist who revolutionized the portrayal of female roles in Kathakali. Kathak. Kathak has derived from the Sanskrit word Katha. It has originated from Uttar Pradesh. It is the mix of Persian and Central Asian dance. Legendary dancers of Kathak are Birju Maharaj. He is a leading exponent of Kathak. He is a descendant of legendary Maharaj family of Kathak dancers. Arjun Mishra. He is a famous Kathak dancer. At the age of 7, He learned Kathak under the guidance of late Pandit Ram Narayan Mishra. Sitara Devi. She is called as the Empress of Kathak dance. She has given lot of performances in hometown and abroad.
रामचंद्र ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र बाजत पैजनिया रामचंद्र ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र बाजत पैजनिया ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र ठुमक चलत.
Ghumar dance. It is a very famous dance and a community dance of women in Rajasthan. It is performed in various auspicious functions like fairs and festivals. The dancer's dress is rich in embroidery. Kalbelia dance. It is the most prominent dance of Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. It is performed primarily by a community of snake charmers of the desert. They wear a dress in black color. Our country's culture is vast. I have not even covered a part of it. So, I end up by saying, as a true citizen, it is the young generation's duty to preserve their country's culture for their future.